my name is Kyle Dupuis, and this is my 2013 wide-body Hyundai Veloster, and its name is Turbo. Actually, back when they came out in 2012, I was having a conversation with my dad, and we both really liked them because they were very unique looking. And since then, I just always kind of kept an eye on it. I had a different car at the time, and then when that one got old, I wanted to get in something new, and I wanted a turbocharged platform. So a lot of things lined up. I really like the asymmetrical design of it, the coupe door on the driver's side, and the two doors on the passenger side. And it's fun. It's a little hot hatch, and it goes like hell. First car, I actually had a 2006 Mitsubishi Eclipse GT, the 4th gen one that nobody also likes. I have a running track record of owning cars that are famously unloved, and then just trying to do my best, but you know, what can you do? I actually really like them. I'm not the craziest about the design. The first gens, in my opinion, look much better. But they fix a lot of the issues. They have a limited slip diff, they have rear independent suspension. I think you could probably get one pretty hot. I'm excited about that. I mean, I can do a couple of bullet points. The aero kit was all built by me. The wide body is a SEMA Granada kit, specially made for the car. I've got big wheels on there. The motor is pretty much full bolt on, big intercooler, big intake. It's straight piped, it's slammed. I was actually talking with one of my friends on the weekend. There's not an inch of the car that I haven't touched at this point. I tried to find one and I couldn't. Even like stuff like the mirrors. I have like my own little fisheye mirrors put on so I don't have to shoulder check anymore. So I'm two-time now driven Edmonton best in class winner. I had a Cancer Cruise last year, took home best tuner. I've had a Cardell best tuner. What else? Oh, Midnight Rev Up in Edmonton, awesome event. Sucks that nothing's happening this year because I was really looking forward to that one. I took 2nd place. And then I don't know, lots of other minor shows I've been around. Oh, actually one is, we went out to Street Wheelers Weekend, which is all famously old guys and muscle cars, and I took home 1st place in the top 5 other category. And it was actually kind of, it was a really awesome event because all these old guys, man, they were so excited to see somebody my age out with a car that was all hand built, because that's the way that they all did it. And it's just, it was pretty cool. I like bees. Bees are admirable. They're hard workers. I mean, it's one thing that I got into this car knowing that it was going to be a lot of hard work trying to learn everything myself. And it's, I don't know, they're kind of inspiring. They are tiny and they make great things happen. We'd have no food without bees, so you can never say that bees aren't cool. The next plan is, it's going to be finishing off the idea for this season, which is fix all the problems with it. I've been searching for the fuel issue, I've been searching for an electrical issue. When you get this modded, there's issues, but it's stuff that I like to do, so I'm looking forward to finding it. I'm already starting to source out for the next car. Something, again, because I gotta stick with my theme of cars that are universally hated. I want to get into an FD RX-7, but I want to find the right one first, and I want to finish my car, but I already got plans. I know what I want to do with it. It's going to take a lot of patience. It's going to take a lot of hard work. There's going to be a lot of sleepless nights and cut knuckles and bruises and burns. you're gonna have to do everything probably twice. My motto at the house is done right the second time. Because, you know, when you're learning, and that's one thing that you gotta take into consideration, is not to be too hard on yourself, because nobody jumps into it. I didn't wake up one day and the car looked like this. This is 3 years of work. You just gotta keep plugging away, and eventually you'll get to a spot where you're breaking necks on the reg.